go follow him.
That's a great way to start the vlog. What's going on, Frankie Gang? It's your boy Frankie. I'm having a Frankie day. Well, I had a Frankie's day. Y'all see it's dark. I did it Frankie's way, and I hope y'all did the same. So today we are at yet another car meet, but this one's low key is the biggest one I've been at to be classified as official car meet anyway. So it's a lot of dope whips out here, but we on the road to 1K. So y'all make sure y'all smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Your boy trying to make it by the end of August, and hope y'all enjoy the content. Let's go. Okay. Sheesh, that is so wet, bro. Where's his Instagram at? This thing is crazy. Hey, give bro a follow. Shout out to bro, this thing is wet. What? This thing is crazy. On the wide body?
Hey, bro.
This is exactly what I want to do.
If this is your car, comment.
Wow, bro, what? What? Bro, this is nasty. Alright, gang, this is the cleanest Q60 I've ever seen in person, bro. Wide body, exactly how I want to do it, bro. This is nuts. Sheesh. This is absolutely insane, bro. Bro, I'm so damn thirsty. Like, my mouth is dry. I got a Gatorade in the car, but the car is 10 years that way.
10 years that way?
Man, yo. GTR manifold on a Z? That's crazy. So this is his Instagram. It's Michael, and then an H at the end, 4545. I need to get a Z. I need to get a Z. Oh my goodness, I love this blue too. Is that a dummy? Bro, no way. No way, bro. That's so wet. Jeez. Super slick, that's so wet, bro. Damn. So I'm telling y'all gotta get me to 100 million bajillion quadrillion followers so I can get a car like that. But yeah, just like the video anyway. Alright, gang. So we out in traffic. Taylor's up there somewhere. Brian, you chilling?
Chilling.
That's crazy. Bro, right past the fucking accident the cops are. Look, cops right there. A minutes. Alright, gang, just pulled up. Oh shit, I ain't mean to slam it. Just pulled up to the spot. That's true. Just pulled up to the spot in Mexico. So I got myself, Taylor, Victor, Brian, and Dave. Where? Dave went to go relieve himself, I believe.
I was like, I'm not Dave.
But yeah, so we out here. Oh,
See that guy right here?
That's why we are here.
You're not supposed to do that, sir. Up the whole thing. Get out the street.
Look, boom. There's the
he hit
pole.
the curb or something. Damn, I'm gonna insert Taylor's video. Bro, this shit is crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like this in life, in person, for real. This is absolutely insane, bro. All I'm gonna say, gang, is one, not all I'm gonna say, two things. One, this was filmed in Mexico, and two, this is why you should never buy a used scat pack. I learned that lesson. If you have not watched that early on video, go back and watch it. Some of my first videos, I had a scat pack, a wide body Challenger, and you're gonna see why you should not buy a used one. I'm just saying. Time to go. Oh, what is that? Ooh. Ooh. Sheesh. What is this? This is nuts.
Car bumping. Fucking run. Go like back to the like a little backwards.
What did you say? What did he say?
All right. Yeah,
Bro, where are we? The boys out here.
Here?
What y'all think she
I mean,
did?
you can go right.
Oh, you are like God. Yes.
I got 3 of them. I just fuck it. I'm gonna take all of them.
She got some friends with her. I take them out.
Bro, where are we going? Bro, this could be a good place to do some digs. Where are we going? Bro, this is crazy. Bro. Yeah, I'm looking.
Chopper hold 100, my car go 200, baby. I be chasing coins like Sunny, baby.
Alright, gang, so now we in the city for real, and we just had a casual intersection, bro. Man, they get crazy in Mexico. We had a casual intersection. Okay. Oh shit, I'm trying to get God damn.